This is the all-new Everyday Backpack by Peak Design. A pack versatile enough for everyday carry or photo carry. Instant access from the top that's quiet, one-handed, and secure, and full access from each side. Inside, you'll find customizable organization that's protected and keeps things in place. There's a place for your laptop, tablet, documents, sunglasses, cords and tech, and even a place for your keys. Outside, a weatherproof shell keeps it all safe. Need to fit more? No problem. There's built-in expansion inside and outside, so you can always carry one more thing. Now in its second generation, the all-new Everyday Backpack is more ergonomic, more durable, more sustainable, and more aesthetically clean than ever before, with the same thoughtful details that make it our most popular bag. The Everyday Backpack, versatile everyday carry by Peak Design.